In this module, you will learn about momentum and its significance. To analyze the concept of momentum, let's compare the effect of moving objects in different situations. Observe the marble dropped onto the thin glass pane below. The glass pane is intact. But what happens if we drop a cricket ball onto this glass from the same height? The glass pane is shattered. Why did the glass pane shatter this time? What was different in the two situations? The height from which the marble and the ball were dropped was the same. So was the velocity of both the objects when they struck the pane. Clearly, it must be the bigger mass of the cricket ball that made a difference. As the mass of the cricket ball is more than that of the marble, its effect on the glass pane is higher than that of the marble, and thus it shattered the glass pane. Let's now look at another case where two identical marbles, say P and Q, are dropped onto a thin glass pane from different heights. First, we drop the marble P on a thin glass pane from a height of 1 meter. The marble P does not damage the glass pane. Now, we drop another marble, Q, from a greater height. Dropped from a greater height, even this small marble has shattered the glass pane. Why was the glass pane shattered by the marble Q and not by the marble P, even though the mass of both the marbles is the same? As the height from which an object is dropped increases, the velocity with which it strikes the ground or any other reference level also increases. Being dropped from a greater height, the velocity at which the marble Q strikes the glass pane is greater than that of P. Hence, the effect of marble Q on the glass pane is greater than that of P. That's the reason marble Q shattered the glass pane, while marble P did not have much effect on the glass pane. Based on these observations, we can say that the effect of any object on the other depends on two factors of the object causing the effect, namely its mass and velocity. These two factors together constitute a physical quantity called the momentum of a moving object. The momentum of an object is the product of its mass, m, and its velocity, v. It is denoted by the small letter p. Thus, you can express momentum as p is equal to mv. Momentum is measured in kilogram meter per second or Newton second in the SI system. Because of its momentum, a fast-paced cricket ball can hit and hurt the batsman or the wicket-keeper if the batsman is not able to play the ball properly. That's why batsmen on the cricket field wear protective helmets and body pads to prevent possible injury. Momentum helps us understand the effect of collisions and explosions. For example, it explains the effect of a collision between two trucks or a cannon firing. The greater the momentum of an object, the larger is its effect on another object.